In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a file from a chat in Microsoft Teams. While Teams makes it easy to share files and collaborate, there are times when a file needs to be removed. Maybe it was shared by accident or is no longer needed. I'll walk you through a quick and simple way to clean up your chats. To get started, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open your web browser, go to the Microsoft Teams website, and log in using your account details. Once you're signed in, click on Chat from the left-hand menu and open the conversation where the file you want to delete was shared. Inside the chat, locate the file you want to remove. Files usually appear directly within the conversation thread or under a Files tab if the chat has one. Take a moment to make sure you found the correct file. Next, move your mouse over the file. When you do this, several icons will appear next to it, including the three-dot menu, also known as More Options. Click on these three dots to open the available actions for that file. From the menu, select Delete. Microsoft Teams may ask you to confirm your choice to make sure you didn't select the file by mistake. Confirm the action, and the file will be removed from the chat. Keep in mind that deleting a file from a chat removes it for everyone in that conversation. However, the file may still exist in other locations if someone downloaded it or if it was stored in a shared folder. Always double-check that removing the file won't affect your team's work. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a file from a Microsoft Teams chat. This simple process helps keep your conversations clean, organized, and up to date. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.